What's up, JR Garage? Welcome back to the channel. We got Christian over here, and then we got Anthony over here coming. And when Anthony's here, you know we're getting down to business and doing some work. And that work is the Ferrari. Today is the day. Today is the day. If everything goes right, it'll be 100% done.
So we have a couple easy parts to install and a couple more time-consuming things. So first and foremost, actually not this.
Man, this is gonna be a good video. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got?
Our freshly tuned
let me see one of them.
ECU.
Oh.
Look
at
yeah. That.
So this makes car have special magical powers. And then all we gotta do is finish mounting the carbon fiber diffuser. Now that we have the parts, we didn't realize we needed 2 more mounting parts, but we got them from Fur Parts the other week when we were visiting, and now we can mount it. We're gonna finish lining up the bumper, and then it should be good, ready for first startup. Guess without further ado, let's get crack-a-lackin'. Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. ECU's going in. That one's plugged in. 2 ECUs on this car. Look at all these electronics, my goodness. No wonder these cars are so finicky.
Well, at least they were smart to putting it inside instead of outside.
That's true. Yep.
Okay.
Boom, at least they're in now. Maybe we'll do a test and then we'll button them down. Christian, you're already missing out. You're gone for 2 minutes. The ECU's are already in. We're gonna do a first startup without you. Good. So guys, if we've hinted at it in previous videos, but if you're wondering where these ECUs came from, they were tuned by the guys over at 1016 Industries. Huge thanks to them.
Not too many people tune Ferraris. Good luck.
Exactly, and with the full exhaust now done, we really want to, maximize that power and the free-flowing exhaust and everything. So to do that, you'd need a good tune. So these tunes are super duper easy to install. Most of them just go through the OBD2 port on your car. If you want to see if your car is tunable or if they have a tune made, then go ahead and check out their website. It'll be linked down below. You can easily scroll through, see if your car is there. Highly recommend them. I cannot wait for this first startup, and I know what this car felt like before the tune, so I'll be able to really give you guys a good impression on what changed. So I'm super duper excited, and I can't wait.
I'm even excited.
Yeah, you're even excited
because I haven't heard it yet.
Anthony has not heard the car. And I'm like, oh man, he's like, do a red battle between Lamborghini and Ferrari. I'm like, you'll realize real quick, Lambo's got no shot. Man, it's been too long since we've heard this. Remember, we've been gone in California and Vegas and Phoenix. It's probably been a couple weeks since we've even heard this thing. So, all right, so we're ready for first startup. Of course, we gotta put power back to the car. It has a little battery kill switch here, which is switched to off while we were messing with the ECUs. Okay, we have power. Oh, whoa, what is it doing? So that we don't gas out the entire building, I'm actually gonna move the Lamborghini out of here. So let's back this bad boy out. Ooh, cold start, cold start. Ooh. All right, I need you guys to comment down below when we do a cold start on that. You gotta tell me which one sounds better. This is awfully nice. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh. All right, backing it out, reverse is over here. So guys, we just realized that if we start the car and let it idle for 10 minutes, which we have to with the new tune, it would get the exhaust super duper hot, and we are working back there by the exhaust. So we're gonna actually finish with the bumper and stuff back there first before we start it. So yeah, we kind of snaked you, but don't worry. We're just working on that, and then we will be on to startup, but it's looking good back there, and here we go. All right, it is time to see the diffuser. FabSpeed carbon fiber diffuser in all of its glory. Boom!
Ooh.
That is...
God, look at how it matches the tips too.
Oh, that's mean.
Man, that looks awesome.
That is mean. Wow. Yum.
They're like
that
wings.
carbon.
Look at how, they're like, look at that.
And it's super light, so you save a good amount of weight from the stock one. All right, that looks dope. So as you can see, Christian is crawling under the car here because we're putting back on the under tray, which is very heavy, by the way, but that really helps with aerodynamics, of course. So that's going back on. The 2 panel engine bay panels are going back on, and then it's ready for first startup.
And then we get to drive it with the new tune. And
yes.
Oh man.
Boom, put it to the test. Here we go.
All right, everybody. First start. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. Hopefully it starts.
let the car idle for 10 minutes. It's been about 10 minutes or so, so in just a moment, we're gonna close it up and get driving and experience the tune for the first time and see the 430 in all of its glory with the full bumper, carbon diffuser, and everything done. This moment I've been waiting for so long. We've had the car for, I don't know, 3-4 months or something, and it's been an awesome little build project. Buying it with the rear end damage and now being able to throw the new parts on it, having it as good as new while saving a ton of money was an amazing experience. So can't wait to do it again on another car at some point in the future. Boy, I have to talk so loud because this thing, you can't talk over it. Oh my gosh. All right, the final step, the horse. Here we go. This marks completion of the build. There we are. Oh. Woo! All right, guys, maiden voyage. Here we go. All right. Here we go. It's working. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy right now. So happy. So we have to drive it calmly for about 20 minutes to kind of let the system get used to the tune and everything. I mean, maybe you don't have to, but just for safety's sake, we're gonna take it easy, go through the rev range, really let it get used to the tune. But it's feeling good so far. Oh, that's 2,000 RPMs. Oh my gosh, I've missed this car.
Well, JR Garage is back in business.
With 2 Ferraris.
Oh my goodness, this feels so good.
Oh my god, what
Nice.
the heck?
That project went on and on. Oh my goodness. Finally though, I'm just so happy, so thankful that everybody Anthony was able to just give us a kick in the butt to get this thing going and get this thing done.
I'm so happy. Oh my god. Yeah, what? Did you lose your hearing after that?
Here, listen to this video.
Dude.
Sound all right?
I think it's louder. Dude, I'm not even kidding. I think it's louder.
That was
Wow, it looks, Jesus. Oh my God.
All right, will Colin fit in the car? The $1 million question. And guys, comment down below. Should we do Ferrari Goes to Middle School? What would Ferrari be like? Wow.
Where'd he go?
Like it's works no problem.
Oh, it's locked.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it's
Try,
locked.
try pushing it.
Where is
Oh.
it?
Hold
Where
on.
is it?
Try
Oh.
pushing
Oh
it.
no, he's stuck in there.
Alright vlogs, we're going to my buddy Justin's house. He's like, yeah, bring the Ferrari by, I want to see it, I've never heard it. Well, I'm sure he's already heard it by now, but we're pulling up and his reaction should be pretty good.
He definitely heard it now.
He definitely heard it now. Alright, here we go.
How's this thing running?
Pretty good, pretty good.
I think it's loud.
Yeah, it's loud.
It's really loud. Have you added it yet? I feel it.
Alright, well thanks for stopping by.
Thanks, man. I'll come by the warehouse later this week.
Absolutely, yep.
Hey, Revit.
Your neighbors are gonna kill me. That was 3,000 RPMs.
Holy.
you got to get to see it all complete thanks to your help.
Yeah, no worries.
How's your C60? Oh, right. C63 is in the shop. Something.
A story for another time.
Yeah, trying to fix a couple things, but otherwise, that thing's a beast. The three Italians unite once again. All three. Guys, comment down below your favorite 355, 430, or Gallardo. Oh, jeez. Now that's got nothing on the 430 now. No, that's nothing, man. Get out of here. All right, guys, we did it. 430 is finally done. I'd say, how about they did it? I got the screws that we needed for the one part, so I feel accomplished.
That's right.
In that,
You did make a hardware run for us, but this is fantastic. We knocked out the ECUs, the tuning, the rear carbon diffuser, the beautiful tips, everything. So much went into this, and finally.
Thank you 1016 for making such an awesome product. Like I said, guys, their information is linked down below. The tune was amazing. Like, it idles better. It's just the throttle response and everything. It's like actually a huge difference. I wasn't expecting anything crazy, but it heck of a lot better. So I'm super pumped for that.
And thank you, Fabspeed. I cannot wait to do a full, beautiful, cinematic 1-2 minutes of just that pure beauty.
What'd you think about driving it?
It was great. You know, I thought it was going to be some really hard, you know, car to drive, but it's just, it's simple, easy to drive.
Good
It's
deal.
a lot of
Good.
fun. Yeah.
Heck yeah. All right, well, guys, comment down below video suggestions with the 430. Do you think we should do 430 versus Gallardo, like rev battle, or just like crazy?
Or race.
Race.
These two.
That would be close, or right? I'm very curious who would win that. So, like I said, comment down below. Subscribe if you're new. You're not going to want to miss that content. Leave a big like if you enjoyed it. And I hope you guys are as hyped as we are that the car is finally done.
The day's here.
Let's go. All right, sweet. We will see you guys in the next video.